Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So it's again weekend. Yes, you know I'm a European pro trader. You find my account always in the leaderboard. Yes, that is the proof that I'm really consistently profitable. Yes, a lot of other YouTubers are doing videos without ever appearing in the leaderboard. Yes, and they are telling you that they are making money. That is such kind of fun. But anyway, that is another deep explanation video. You know, I do not have the OTC market, not at weekend, not even in the week. I'm a European trader, yes, pro trader. And we European traders do not have the OTC market due to the ESMA ban. And not even the pro traders like me, yes? So don't do some kind of comments that you are telling me that I'm telling bullshit. But also you will have the possibility to win today the $10 giveaway, because today I'm going to announce the winner, yes? And next week I will give away $20, yes? You need to do only to comment this video, yes? You have to comment this video to get the $20 giveaway. Next week on Sunday I will announce this one, but the announcement of the today winner I will tell you this later at the end of the video, yes, because I have to cover some other topics before. The first thing is, this video will be about how to trade breakouts and pullbacks at support and resistance based on candlestick psychology. The stuff is this, that I got this kind of question from one of my students. Yes, he wants this clarification, and I doing this kind of video. Yes, especially for him, yes, because I want to show him how you do this. So, in general, yes, in general, that is something what we have already covered a lot, but I want to talk about, first of all, this kind of thing, because here we have such kind of breakout. So, what happens here? Look at this. We have here a consolidation area. Yes, this consolidation area here, we have a nice support and resistance level which is marked by the Bollinger Band. You can use them, and you could do in this kind of trade here after the breakout a call option on this support and resistance level, and that would be a nice trade. On the next candle, that one will appear, because everybody can talk about that what already happened, yes, but on the next candle, you can be pretty sure that the next candle will be a bearish one. Why? Because this is showing you that we have selling pressure. That is buyers and sellers entry. Here we have sellers entry. Yes, here, look at this. This is a resistance level. Here we have seller's entry. The next candle will be most probably a bearish one, yes, and the price will most probably retrace back to key level, to this level, and after it will continue to going up. And that is exactly that what I gonna explain you today in my deep explanation video. But before I gonna get more deeper in this kind of fight, I have to cover some kind of things. The first thing is, yes, where to find my BOTT price action guide. You will find the BOTT price action guide in the description. Okay, watch it. That are 120 pages of illustrations of those kind of concepts, and I will show you today which kinds of concepts are important to understand this video today, because I can talk a lot about breakouts and pullbacks, yes, but it's not only this. You have to understand all those kind of concepts together, yes, because last time I have done the video about how to trade, how to read candlestick wicks and how to trade wicks, yes, and I have shown you the buyer's entry and the seller's entry, and most of you do not got the point, yes, because you have to understand the other concepts too, else you will do losing trades, because the wicks are only a small part of the concepts, yes, a small part of all the candlestick and all the candlestick psychology and all the kind of technical analysis, yes, so you cannot do your trades only based off this. That is the same thing when you would trade evening stars in the consolidation area and you get trapped. Yes, that is not possible. So 120 pages of illustrations, yes, in the BOTT price action guide. Yes, you find the link in the description. Then there is the BOTT price action Bible. The BOTT price action Bible contains 275 pages. Last time I have done a mistake and I told you it would be 320. I have to say sorry about this. That are 275. It's the first edition. There is no other edition. Maybe a new edition will be published in 2020, yes, next year. But that has 275 pages full of explanations and illustrations. That is everything what you need to get profitable in the market. When you study the BOTT price action Bible really carefully, you have the knowledge to own the market. That is guaranteed. Yes, that Bible, BOTT price action Bible, has done a lot of traders, really good traders. So the BOTT price action Bible, the BOTT price action Bible in conjunction, yes, with the video packs, video pack 1, 2 and 3 and 4, yes, is dope, magic. That will make you money guarantee. If you don't make money with the BOTT price action Bible in conjunction with the video pack, then you have to search another profession, or you have a big lack on discipline or knowledge anyway. Still knowledge, yes, or you don't know how to apply those kind of stuff. For the video pack 1 is for the beginner, video pack 2 is for the medium ones, video pack 3 is for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 is for the pros. Yes, and I have to say, in this case, yes, the BOTT price action Bible can be found. Yes, who knows? Yes, but it can be found also in the description. Yes, because I'm getting every day this kind of question. Where can I find the BOTT price action Bible? In the description. Yes, where can I find the BOTT mentorship program self-study module video pack 1? In the description. Yes, and like I told this before, the conjunction between the BOTT price action Bible and the video packs are really magic. That is making you a better trader. You will improve your trading dramatically, instantly. Yes, why I show you exactly in this video packs how you have to execute trades, what you should avoid, what you should do better, yes, and what you have to look for. Yes, that is the real deal, man. And the video pack 1 in conjunction with the BOTT price action Bible are the best thing what you could do as an investor. So, and the second, yes, for those one who don't get it, yes, and they want to accelerate and becoming maybe before the new year a profitable full-time trader or part-time trader, those one can join the BOTT mentorship program pro plan, the 4-week crash course. Yes, still you can still apply for the application process. You can still entering here. Yes, I don't know how long I will do this. You have only to send me an email, an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com with the subject BOTT mentorship program. That will enroll the application process. And the application process is the real deal tool, because there you will understand if you are able, yes, to become a pro trader, or if you have to go back practicing a lot more and studying a lot more, because the application process is a lesson for its own. It's free to apply for the BOTT mentorship program. Yes, you can do this, and that is really the indicator for that, if you are able to become a pro. No, if you get rejected, don't take it too hard. Yes, because you can apply again. That is only a sign that you are not able, yes, that you have to learn much more, that you don't have the basics, yes, that you don't know the basics. So that is this one. The BOTT price action guide in the description, the BOTT price action Bible in the description, the BOTT video packs, yes, BOTT mentorship program self-study modules in the description. The only thing what you don't find in the description is the BOTT mentorship program. Yes, you have to send me an empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com, and then you will apply for the application process. I will not do this for any more long. Yes, so get the feet into the door, because when the door is closed, the door is closed, and I will not accept anymore anybody. Yes, so do this as soon as possible, so that you get mentored by me. Yes, because I have done already so many students profitable, yes, and also this week I have released again a wave of new students which are now successful, profitable, and they make me always proud. And those stories of those kind of my subscribers, those stories of my students, yes, which got released, you find here on the community page, yes, community of my YouTube channel. Yes, here you see also learning stuff, yes, and then you get here the success rates of my students, yes, here how they make money and what's happening. That are all real stories, yes. And look at this, what this one here is written, that makes me really proud. Yes, that was one of those one which make me really happy. Let me see where it is here. This one here. Look at this. Master, I give my respect from Africa. You have made me a better trader and person. Your money management helped me a lot. Your trading skill have made me a respected person. This is your knowledge. Thank you for sharing. I want to know that you teach more than trading. My life has changed. Thank you, thank you. You see, that is what I get here. Yes, that is what the people are telling about that. That was not even one of my students. That was only one who was watching my videos. So I'm giving you all my knowledge for free. Yes, because I have nothing to hide. All my concepts can be used by everyone. Yes. And I want is also that you use those concepts, but I want that to give also credit to that who has provided this stuff, because that is all created on years of my experience. I have given blood to this, yes. This one what I have done here in the BOTT price action guide, in the BOTT price action bible, yes, in the video packs is all my knowledge here. Instant access to my core knowledge gained in years of experience. That to find this kind of high educational videos, this kind of high educational stuff, you have to search years. Yes, and you will not even find, because nobody will tell you this. They will ask you only money, money, money. Yes, and they are not telling you anything, because most of them are not traders. Most of them are only affiliate marketer and are promoting their affiliate link. Yes. And they are not even in the leaderboard, yes. But I'm a pro trader and I have nothing to lose. I'm making my money while trading, so I can give you all this kind of knowledge in my YouTubes for free. Obviously, when I'm putting special work like work in my BOTT price action bible, yes, I have to protect my work and then I have to take money for it, yes. And when I'm giving also my lessons in the BOTT mentorship program, then obviously I'm dedicating my time to, and I have to take money, because you know time is the most precious thing what you can have, yes. That is not money, it's time, yes. And that is what trading makes you. It makes you timely free. You can do whenever you want your trades, yes. It will make you financial free, yes. Or you can get a special income only with your skill, yes. You don't need nothing else than your trading skill, and everything what you need for a good trading skill is written in the BOTT price action bible, yes, which has everything what you need explained for. Really a 6-year-old child could understand this English what I have written there, yes. And that is what is written in the BOTT price action bible, and in conjunction with the BOTT video pack 1, you are one step in front and you can do the steps. You have only to imagine what you can change, and that is really a low amount which you have to invest to change everything. So okay, that is this one. And take a look always on the BOTT mentorship, BOTT Turbo Trader, boturbotrader YouTube channel on the community page. Why? Because I'm publishing here everything about my students, educational stuff, money management tools, all this kind of stuff you get on the community page. And obviously it's also motivationally, yes, when you see real life stories of those kind of people and trader who are making money, yes. Here, only those kind of stuff. Here's somebody who made a lot of money, yes, and that are all this kind of stuff explained, and also really nice explanations, yes, and all those kind of stuff. Watch the community page, it's really worth it, yes. I will try to publish educational stuff too. So, and then, this I will announce today the winner of the $10 giveaway. Yes, I will give away today $10. You have only to comment my YouTube YouTube video. Yes, next week I will give away $20. You need only to comment this video now. Yes, and next Saturday I will announce it. The announcement of the winner will be published later in the at the end of the video, because first of all I try to give you the education, and then there will be the entertainment. So let me see what I have prepared. I have prepared today some stuff. Yes, and let me see where I do have this. Yes, I have this here. So let me see. For today, you need to understand, first of all, those kind of concepts which I have explained in the BOTT Price Action Bible. Yes, you have to study, because at the end, all this kind of stuffs are working together. I cannot talk about the candlestick patterns without naming the context. Yes, you cannot trade the trend without understanding the candlestick patterns. Yes, that is all. Everything is working together. And that is why strategies are not working, because they are having only indicator stuff, yes, but they don't understand the concepts which are getting together, yes. Some of the strategies can be used better, yes. For example, the crossing of the EMAs, if you have the knowledge about price action, which I'm teaching, yes. But in general, I have to say you have to understand the context, because only with the context you will be profitable. So, and important is, for example, this one page here from the BOTT Price Action Bible, yes, that about how to spot the highest probability trades. And when we are talking about breakouts and pullbacks, we need this kind of shit here. Yes, this kind of stuff, the highest probability trading setup. Why? Because here we have pullbacks. That is a pullback. And what you see here, exactly, it goes up. What do you have here? A pullback too. Yes, this is a pullback. What goes down? Yes, that is one of those pages which you have to study, that from the BOTT Price Action Bible. Then you have to study this one, yes, where I have explained how to read the upper and the lower shadows, yes, of the candlesticks. Then you have to study this page here, where I talked about market pressures, yes, how to read the market pressure, how to understand those kind of pressure reading, yes. And then you need to know this page here, where I talked about the overbought and oversold area, what this means, yes, where the price is in relation to the market, yes. And then you need this kind of thing here, yes, this kind of thing here, where I talked about, where you have to do put options and call options, how to trade different market conditions and market condition examples. Call option, yes, after continuation pattern, call option on support in an uptrend. That is already here explained how you have to trade pullbacks, yes. Here you see also pullbacks with two candles, yes. The retracement back to key levels in two candles. There can be one candle, there can be two candles, there can be no candle, yes. But mostly it will happen a retracement back to key level, and that are then what? Exactly that what I have explained here, yes, highest probability trading setups, yes, because you are doing the pullback trade, and I will get to this here, this one, yes, that one. And that are those trades which you have to search. You have to search for 5-star trading setups, and that are 5-star trading setups. So then the next one is what you have to understand are the pages where I talk about the no rejection trading setups, because this no rejection trading setups are all those kind, yes, all those kind of things, but only those ones which are reversal ones that are the best indicator for breakouts and for fake breakouts, yes, that are those kind of things where the retracement back to key level will come up mostly, yes, those kind of reversal ones here, these ones that are where showing you where a support and resistance will be, yes, and I will get to this much more in detail in a few minutes. So that are pages, and then obviously this page here, yes, where I have talked about on the BOTT Price Action Bible about how to read the direction of the candlestick momentum, because a lot of traders do not understand that you have to get the bigger picture. You need the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is you are coming from a downtrend, you're going into a ranging, and then you're going into a downtrend. Yes, and that is when you understand this, you can own the market, because you see the bigger picture and you see how it will be generated by higher highs, by higher lows, yes, or by lower highs and lower lows. Yes, and then you have here the consolidation area, and then you get a breakout, then you get a retracement back to key level, and then you get the continuation. You get an uptrend, you get back to the key level, and then you go up. And I will show you today again and again this kind of concepts, because that is money making concept. That are concepts which will make you money. And if you are not listening to this, it's not my problem. If you are giving me bad comments, it's not my problem. I cannot force anybody to his luck. Yes, you have to understand this on your own, that I'm teaching the true knowledge. Yes, and if you are not able to get it, that is not mine. Then maybe your IQ is not enough. That is not my problem. So okay, and now we are going into the topic, and the topic is today how to trade breakouts and for pullbacks at support and resistance based on candlestick psychology. And let me see what I have prepared for you today. Yes, here I have to, before I do this, I have to talk about this one here again. You have to understand, depending on the trend, yes, that that this buying pressure, buyers entry, that there are buyers entering, yes, but it depends how much buyers are entering. Yes, if you have a strong downtrend, you can expect that the next candle will most probably not a bullish one and not even a doji here. It will be probably a bearish one, yes, because you have to understand, when you have the major and the minor trend in this direction of this bearish candle, that the trend will continue. Yes, that is this one, and then you get a weak bearish candle. Yes, it's not always that you get a bullish candle. So you use this level here. Let me see this. You use this level here as a support level, yes, and your entry point should be somewhere here, yes, but you have to be careful. When you have a 20 EMA which is pointing down, then you cannot do this, yes, because you will lose this trade. Yes, you have to switch on your brain, yes, and showing common sense. You have to develop those kind of things which I'm telling you here, because I cannot show you each and every candlestick. I cannot show you everything, yes, because there are millions of different ways of the drawing candlesticks, and you have to switch on your brain and doing your own stuff. So okay, let me go to the topic today, and the topic today is really important. The topic today is about how to trade breakouts and pullbacks on support and resistance, and I have prepared this one here, and you will see what I have done. So look at this. Here we have an example on how pullback look like. And the magic stuff is that you can use this pullback stuff on each and every support and resistance. That means EMAs, trend lines, support and resistance horizontal lines, Fibonacci level, Bollinger Bands. Every support and resistance can be used this kind of pullback. So I have done this pullback here now in this kind of example on the 20 EMA, but I can do this also for those one who need something else. I can do this like this also, yes, and so you see what's happening. So only two things will change here, yes. Here will change two things when you are moving it, and that is what I'm talking always and again, and I don't know why the people are not getting it, because in general it's not really complicated, yes. It's not complicated. So the thing is this one. If you get this kind of pullback in form of a reversal pattern, it can be a morning star, it can be an engulfing candle, it can be everything, yes, and you get this kind of fake breakout or the pullback, because at the end, if I'm switching, look, if I'm switching this kind of lines or a trend line or something, and I'm doing this like this, what do you see here? You would see a pullback from the 50 EMA and a fake breakout of the 20 EMA. And that are those kind of money spots. That are those spots which you make money on. Yes, because the next candle, you wait for the retracement and don't trade this next candle. You can just trade only if it's gonna break through the key level. Yes, if it's don't gonna break through the key level, don't trade it, because I'm seeing people and trader who are trading this. No, don't trade it, only if you get a rejection. So you wait for the retracement back to key level. That is what I'm teaching you all the time. Yes, you wait for the rejection back to key level. And after the rejection from the key level, you enter on the next candle into a trend continuation. Because then you have the major trend, yes, you see the alignment of the EMAs, yes, and the minor trend based on the pullback in your favor. The same thing is valid for the uptrend. If you have a pullback, and you can have it also from a trend line, it has not to be here, the EMAs. You can do this with every support and resistance level, yes? And you wait that you get the pullback. And after the pullback, you wait for the retracement back to key level, and then you enter here, yes, into a call. At the support level, the key level. And I have shown you this already. You can use this kind of candlestick pattern, and that is this part here. Let me show you this, because that is important, so that you get the point. I have done also this one in the BOTT price action Bible, how to draw support and resistance based on candlestick patterns. Yes, let me see this, if I can find this. How to draw support and resistance, yes, based on candlestick patterns. I think it was this one. Look at this. Yes, here you have this, and you have to get this. Yes, if you have a morning star, yes, you have the support and resistance. I have shown you this in the latest video where I have explained this on the evening star. Let me see if I can show you this. This is important, that you understand where the support and resistance levels are. Yes, and I'm giving you everything on the silver spoon. On the BOTT price action Bible, everything is explained in detail. And look at this, I'm showing you this now, and then you will understand this. Look at this. Here we have a morning star. Here we have an evening star, because you know evening star, morning star, bullish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. I don't need to show you each and every candlestick. It's all the same concept. You have here a resistance level on the evening star, and this resistance level can be used, and you see it's the same concept. You get back to the key level, and after the key level you enter after this into the trend continuation, and that is the same stuff here. Yes, you get the pullback. The pullback is a confirmation, and after the pullback you wait for the retracement back to key level, and then you enter into a trend continuation. Important is, this kind of pullbacks will be much more powerful. Yes, they will be much more powerful, and that is what nobody will tell you, when you get a pullback and a freight breakout together. And that is what I have shown you here. Here you get, look at this, here you get a pullback from the 50 EMA or a trend line, and you get the fake breakout together, and that are magic spots. That are money spots. That are those one of trades which will make money. Yes, and that will be, nobody will tell you this. Or did you heard this somewhere? No, you didn't heard this, because they want to sell you this knowledge. They want to give it to you. And you can only trade this kind of continuation here only after this candle got close. And that's important. It has to get close to the key level with the wick and with the close, with the real body, with the closing price. It's important that it goes close to the key level, because if it's not gonna close to the key level, it can happen that there will be another one, and then your trade will get out of the money. Yes. Because of this, that's important that you understand this. Yes, the candlestick has, but I will do another video about this the next time. But before I'm going to do this, I will do a video about the process of elimination. So that are the pullbacks. That are the knowledge which I have gained in years. Yes, and there are much more. I don't know how I have to cover this all in one video. I cannot cover this. Maybe I will do this another video too. So that is the pullbacks. You know now what you have to look for pullbacks, and I don't want to see again trades which do not cover this topic, yes, which are not based on this requirements, yes. And if you want to get sure shots, you have to get this kind of stuff. You see, that is also a concept which I have got in my BOTT price BOTT sure shot 1, which I have explained also in the BOTT price action Bible here. That is also one of those one, yes, where I have a fake breakout, where the fake breakout is happening based on the EMAs, yes, and let me see the BOTT sure shot 3, yes, here, BOTT sure shot 3, yes, where you wait for the pullback, yes, and BOTT sure shot 2, where the continuation, the pullback happens, yes, and if you shift this EMAs below, you get a pullback in conjunction with a fake breakout, and that are money spots. I cannot repeat it again. That will make you money. Yes, okay. So in conjunction, obviously, if you understand all the knowledge which I have in the BOTT price action Bible and with the video packs 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will show you exactly those kind of high probability trading setups which will make you money. That is why those kind of things are so important. So, and now we are going to talk about the breakouts. Yes, the breakouts. The breakouts, the same stuff. Yes, you have a breakout, yes, and then you do the trend continuation. But you cannot do the trend continuation after the breakout immediately. You have to wait that you get a retracement back to key level. And after the retracement back to key level, you go with a major trend. And when the major trend is ranging, yes, when you are ranging, when you have a flat 200 EMA, then you go with a minor trend, yes. But in general, you have to go with a major trend because, but after the retracement. So you got a breakout, and then you get the retracement, yes, and after this, you go in the trend continuation, and this is the EMAs. It could be also a trend line. If you have a trend line, you know also what the trend is, yes, and so you follow the trend. Don't go against the trend, yes, because you have to be sure that it will hold at least one candle when you're doing it one. When you are doing higher expiration time trades, you have you have to be sure, and that can be only get when you have a prevailing trend which is ultra long. So okay, again, you wait for the break. So to show you this in this kind of example here, we get a breakout here, yes. Now the next candle here is showing weakness, yes, because we have here selling pressure, yes, and only small buying pressure here, yes. And so the next candles will be retraced back to this level here, to this area. I'll show you this again. Let me show you this. Here, they will retrace back to this candle level here. And after this candle got close, yes, close to this level, you can go into a call option after you got the retracement back. Don't trade here. You can trade a put option here above the closing price and above the one round number here. That can be done, yes. But it's if you want to do high probability trading setups, if you want to save your money, then you wait that the price goes back to this. That are only 2 or 3 candles, 2 or 3 minutes, and after it you do the trend continuation because you see the EMAs, the 200s, 100s, the 50 and the 20. We are here still into an uptrend. We have here a pullback. Okay, so you can expect that the price will trace back and goes up again. That is what this is about. Yes, I will show you this on live trades again. When I'm doing again live trades, then I will cover all those kind of theory stuff again to show you this on live trades, and then I will point you and I will tell you, yes, that is this one, that is this one. So the next video which I'm gonna do is about what was the topic? About the process of elimination. That will make it possible for you to identify and to predict the next candle much more accurately, and especially the process of elimination will give you a hint when this kind of consolidation area will happen. A lot of traders do have problems indicating, yes, the consolidation area, and they get trapped. In consolidation area, you don't have to trade candlestick patterns. That is not the area to trade candlestick patterns, because their candlestick patterns will mostly not work out. Only if you have a waveform which is going from one Bollinger Band to the other one, so that you you see the minor trends. Then you can do this, yes, and then you can obviously trade at the edges. I have explained this in one of the other videos, yes. You do put options here and call options here, yes, but I don't want to cover this again. So and now we are going to the announcement of that guy who has won the giveaway of $10, yes, and I want to show you how I will do this. Yes, here we have, I have counted already, that was the video with the comments. Here we have all the comments, yes, and yes, and I will now start this kind of random one. I have prepared this already to not lose too much time. So I will click here on this generate button, and then there will be generated a random number between 1 and 66, because it were 66 comments, yes, and then this one which will get out will win the $10. And if you want to win the next $20 which I'm going to give away next week, then you have to comment this video, yes, comment on this video, and then you will get in the, and the next winner will be announced next Saturday when I'm doing the next video, yes. And now let's see who has won here, who has won the $10, yes. Let me see, yes, 45. Let me see, nice random number, let me see who this is. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is not available because it was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45, 46, 47, 46, 45. That guy here, Praget Ruvanta, you get it. You got my $10 giveaway. So, and the next one who wants to win, comment on this video, you will get $20, yes. And important is, don't do more than one comment. If you do more than one comment like this one guy here at the top, I will remove your completely from the competition, yes, because I do not accept this kind of cheating. So get that was already. So you find the BOTT price action Bible in the description. The video packs you find also in the description. Study those things, yes. And if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.